How to download and install the Cici app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. On the top at the search bar, search for Cici. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now simply tap on this install button. So the installation process has begun. So what is the Cici about? Basically this is an AI tool. So this is better than ChatGPT and other AI tools. It is useful for brainstorming and having different ideas also. Now the app is installed, you can easily use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.